Hello everybody. Today let's talk about changing your interior cabin air filter on a Mercedes SLK R170 from 1999. So the filter I have here is by Bosch. It's the M2001 and the part number is right here for anybody who is interested. It will slide in under the glove box, kind of like that. The filter comes with a neat little manual actually telling you how to do this on your car, and you can see there's a little SLK right there, and it's telling us that the filter should be changed every 30,000 kilometers. Now I have absolutely no idea when this was changed for the last time, so I'm guessing the filter in the car is super dirty, so it's about time we got this done. The tooling we'll need for this is pretty simple. A Phillips screwdriver right there. As you can see here, SLK, 3 times that screw with a Phillips head. So we'll be approaching the car from the passenger side. The air filter is actually underneath the glove box over here. I'll just leave the door open so I've got somewhere to stick my legs at the car. So if we dive underneath, like so, you can maybe see that there are some screws there and there. So I'm gonna get these out. And that is screw number 1 right there, which came out of just underneath here. They're actually quite fiddly to get out, really awkward angle. And the one on the left came out a bit easier, but they're 2 different screws. That also explains why this one was so fiddly to get out. Now, let's see if we can pop this cover off. And there we go, the air filter cover comes straight off. And let's go and approach the air filter. There are these 2 white clips that have to be pushed. So one of them pushes to the side there, and one of them pushes back there. Like so, comes off. And then that gives us access to the air filter cabin. Ugh, and there's already shit falling out. Excuse my French. I just got to pull this out. So this is very, very dirty. And there it comes. It's the release of the air filter. So just pull it towards myself, and yeah, ugh, gross. This is full of stuff. I'm gonna actually take this outside and throw it on the floor because there's too much crap in here, and I'm not sure when this has been changed, but man, it's dusty. And then we get our clean filter and we pop that right down up in here, like so. It's also again a bit fiddly. These are paper filters, so they're not particularly stable or anything. And I hope I have this the right way around. It seems to be the wrong way around. So actually, the rounded side goes in first, like so. And then this side follows. And that fits a lot nicer. So the rounded side goes in here, and then the rest just follows suit. And then we put the covers back. Getting this back into place is a bit fiddly. It actually doesn't stick, so you need 2 hands, and then slide that, and this actually holds it flush against the top side there. Now, the final cover actually, in the manual it says you have 3 screws, but you only have these 2 screws there, and 2 clamps there at the back to hold it in place. So I will slide that back in, screw it, and then we should be done. Alright, and that's all back in place. Oh, I'll need to give this a vacuum, it's really dusty in here. And that is, ladies and gents, how you replace a 5 million year old air filter. Now, if that was useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave some comments. Peace out.